Hey guys, it's your cousin. Welcome to the second episode of Abiotic Friday. Today, we're entering Manufacturing West. That's right, I did say we would be doing that last week, and we are in fact doing that. Who would have guessed that we'd be progressing through the story? A shocker indeed. Today's goal is to get as far as we can. We don't have to do everything in Manufacturing West, but we want to do as much as possible. Other than that, if you enjoy our video, leave a like if you do, a dislike if you don't, and if you're feeling so inclined, please leave a little interaction down below. Alright, let's get into the video. Flip. Perfect. That's the convenient part about being a non-humanoid PNG. It doesn't matter where you are on the screen. First, let's sleep. No, I said out straight up that the first thing we would do is go talk to the blacksmith. And I intend to keep that promise. We're going to the blacksmith first. The blacksmith!
Where'd you come from?
Hell.
Look, we don't got a lot of time. Radio's out. Frake's gone AWOL.
You don't say.
The place is crawling with gunned-up psycho cowboys.
Oh no.
They ain't shut me down yet. But folk like you need to be getting to the surface tunnel.
I'm trying.
Roadway's locked up tight, so you need to find a way through the security doors up there.
You got it.
Maybe you can hack through somehow. They don't exactly leave the codes lying around.
Oh no.
If you know what I mean.
Why not?
If you need something, though, I can help. Equipment, gear, whatever.
How
I
generous.
can make it if you got what I need.
How generous. What do we need for that? Power cell, which we should still have a power cell. And reinforced hose, which honestly isn't terrible. It's not great. There's a rat. I heard you. Is this breakable glass? I hope not. Yes! Holy, that jump scared me a little. I need you. Steel cable, hose, screws. My power! I needed that. I can't craft without power. Damn it. Let's see, screwdriver. Oh, I don't know this recipe. Should. Is that it? Damn it. Is that it? Damn it. Is that it? First try. Did you see that? Didn't even mess up once. Imagine diode, battery, glow stick, phone. Damn it. It was glass. Okay, I'll admit that one wasn't first try. Man, what the fuck? Sure. Damn it. Damn it.
Attention, this sector is under precautionary security measures.
Your sector's under precautionary shit, bitch. Got him. What? I haven't. What happens? Like, in it? Anyone get, like... Does anything happen? Like, do people get really mad at that? Because it just sounds kind of silly. You know? Like, what do they mean? Oh, I don't know that. I was right. It was so good. Actually, do kind of want that. Ooh, man, I don't remember what any of this shit needs. Damn. Okay, better armor. Oh, I forgot I was actually making. Do I still have enough? Uh-oh. Yeah, good. Okay, well that's good, you know? I mean, it's just kind of, that's just a silly little thing, so if we got in, like, huge trouble, that would be a bit much, I'd think. Like, it's not that bad. People have done way worse. So, you know, I was expecting that. But no, if it's just, like, a little prank, who cares? That's fine, that's harmless. Avoid filming face, then, if you want to remain anonymous, you know? We can't really film anywhere else. That's kind of weird. Like, at your neck? I don't know. That's kind of the issue, huh? Hi.
Look, this place ain't healthy. I'm keeping an eye on it because someone's got to. And freaking kill me if something went wrong.
Yeah,
Are bad enough
true.
already. But you
Be a
need
bit
to head
risky.
through the mines to the surface tunnel. There's no reason to stick around here.
Reloading. We will destroy you and you will be forgotten.
I've never heard that voice line before. We will destroy you and you will be forgotten. I've never heard it say that before. That's fucking funny. Yeah, I know the Half-Life story. Half-Life's a great game. How much HP does this guy have? I don't know. A lot, I think. I'm gonna stop shooting him. He's just using a lot of ammo. At least spear hits is free. Oh, owie. Oh, he's too far. I can't hit him with that. Okay, yeah, we're gonna use our spear and shield. You can't hit what you can't see? Need more bullets. Need more soldiers to kill. Uh-oh. Aha, I shielded, loser. Oh, he's low health. I can tell by his texture. Oh. There we go. Yeah, I need one of those CPUs for a future thing, please. Thank you. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's like a potentially, hopefully, his weak point. Maybe, I think. I don't actually think it is, but you know. What? He dodged. He's got skills. Oh god. Hey, this is where you're supposed to get secret, like, customization options, I think. But I already have them. Oh my gosh, we made it to the service tunnel. We could finally escape the facility. That's definitely true, right?
Do not shoot! Do not shoot! We are together in this petition.
Okay, that's good. Oh no, it's all blocked off. We can't leave. But yeah, it's kind of like Core Keeper's kind of like top-down Terraria. It's because they did like a crossover with this game. So there's like a little Core Keeper little add-on in this game. I think it's fun.
But our engineers collapsed this tunnel to ensure no egress. We need another way to bring tidings of this terror to the tribunal. Frake is concealing the escape from us. I'm sure of it. She hides in her fortress, letting us rot here.
Rebar. Is it chain? Pipe? Metal? I don't know. Dude, I'm great at this game. I know everything. Holy shit, this does 75 damage? Yeah. Let's see. Helmet and greaves. We need leather, I think, for the helmet. We do, but I was wrong about that. Yeah, okay. And then this is, I think, that? It was. Good.
Attention. This sector is under precautionary
Beekeeper
security
suit.
measures. Please remain in place and
What?
wait for security assistance.
And it's funny, it's kind of a pun name, because it's a heater shield, and a heater is a type of shield. Do I want to do the core keeper stuff now? Kind of, I guess. Not that much, I'm not gonna lie. I'll go in. You know, I won't do it, but I'll go in. Hello, little guy. Nothing. Oh, look at this lovely place. Thank God there's nothing big and scary here. What the fuck? Oh, hey. But yeah, this is for people who've played Core Keeper, a fun little thing. It's funny, I didn't really play Core Keeper. I owned Core Keeper, ironically, before this like crossover happened. I just never played it. Decided to play it a few weeks ago. It's actually a pretty good game. It's fun. It's very like Terraria. And that's kind of it. It's just very Terraria. Because I'd say Terraria is very much about like boss fights and whatnot, and this is pretty similar. It's kind of about the like Core Keeper's kind of about the boss fights. I don't actually think lighting the core does anything though. This is just kind of a fun thing to do. If it does do something, I literally don't know what it is. And I probably have to look it up. Have I maybe like 2, and the only reason I've ever done it in the past is never usually because I didn't like the game, but usually because I needed money for something else, and I'd literally just bought the game, but then I was like, oh shit, I need money. So it was more out of like, oh, I'm poor than not having fun. Usually then, eventually when I have enough disposable income, I then buy the game back, because it was usually fun when I bought it. Like, I've refunded Witcher 3. Witcher 3 is a great game, but like, I was broke.
They're with the research division. Don't shoot.
Okay, you're a little late. I opened the door when you said that. Who are you?
Look, just talk to Frank, okay?
Well, fine.
I don't know how you've made it this far. Those savages have blocked every exit. They even collapsed the surface tunnel. But remember what happened in '85? When the kinetics team overloaded the Secretron? They triggered a singularity that carved a hole clean through to the next sector. We could do it again right now, if these damn quakes hadn't broken the electron pumps. So I sent my team to the blacksmith. He can make the parts to fix the pumps. We'll make our own exit. All my people need to do is follow the pipes. Red, yellow, green, they'll find their way to the pumps they need to fix. It's been
Great.
hours since they left, but they'll be back, I'm sure of it.
And that's when they never came back. How the hell do I make tram station keys then? I need to make a tram station key. Where do you unlock that recipe? Am I crazy? What? What do I need to unlock it? Uh-oh. I think I'm missing something.
How fascinating.
Frank wants to blow a hole in the floor. She's too smart for her own good sometimes. But what choice we got? I can trade you
Which
parts
part?
to fix the
Like
problem.
the ice cream from a laptop that
There's a couple things I need
most
first.
laptops nowadays, like my laptop comes with a form of wallpaper engine,
Frank ain't the
kinda.
only one with plans.
I don't know.
I'll buzz the list to you.
There's a few things
One more thing.
that I said.
You're gonna have to unlock
Because
the
there is
tram
like a
station.
maybe
One
30-ish
of
second
Frank's
delay,
secrets
I
is there's a
noticed,
gateway in there.
between when I talk
That
and
portal
when
leads
you
where I
hear
think
it.
does. Some of what's on that list is on the other side. I'll give you specs for a tram key.
Oh, that's how you get the
Should
tram key.
open the station right up.
What do I need? A controller and military tech? Yep. Man, I'm good at this game. And there it is. Time to go to the new portal. I broke my fucking leg. Are you kidding? I don't have stuff for this shit. God, that's such a match. Big Angie. A big match.
Scientist, what purpose do you have?
The auto system should have been
Speak.
failsafe. They said it was new.
Tell me, what is the purpose of this train's perpetuity?
Fix it.
What
We must fix
disaster
it.
to
But keep it
cruise
going.
if it
We
halts?
must fix it, but keep it going. We
Explain
must not
yourself.
stop it. Must
Why
persist
must
at
this
all
vehicle
costs.
persist in its
The
motion?
Dark
Tell me
Lands.
this
He
instant.
removed it, but did not comprehend the effects.
Prometheus, your brethren of madmen
Oh,
using your
that's
science
what I
to
must
taunt
do.
things you
First,
cannot
you have this
comprehend.
machine, so that it
Gatekeepers
continues on
will not
forever.
help you now.
The auto system should have been
Tell me,
failsafe.
what is the purpose of this train's
We must
perpetuity?
fix it.
What
We must
disaster
fix it,
to
but keep
cruise
it going.
if it
We
halts?
must fix it, but keep it going.
You died.
Science must persist at all costs. The Dark Lands. He
What the
removed
fuck?
it,
Tell
but
me,
did not
what is
comprehend
the
the
purpose
Is he
of
effects.
not gonna die?
perpetuity?
Oh,
What
that's what I must
disaster
do.
to
Furnace,
cruise if
deal
it
with this
halts?
machine, so that it
Explain
continues on
Hello?
Why
forever.
must this vehicle
The auto
persist in
system
its
should have
motion?
failed.
Tell me this instant.
You
Guess that guy's invincible.
Your
must
brethren
fix
of
it,
madmen
but keep
using
going.
your science to
Must
taunt
fix it,
things
but
you
keep
cannot
going. Must
comprehend.
That's a new thing. I don't think he used to be invincible before. Okay, we need a few of these pocket watches. We don't need too many. We need a few at least.
Parma.
I'm just trying to raise my accuracy XP. There we go. Bit of accuracy XP. You really need a good chunk of accuracy, because you need what? How much accuracy? Where is it? It's this one. You need 10 for the mil spec, and then you need 15 for the biomimic, so it's gonna take a bit. I mean, we're almost 10, I think I saw, right? Hell yeah. That's good. That means we don't have to do it for too long. We got some axle grease, we needed that. We got some more shit that we also needed. We don't really need the discs, but if we actually decide to use the disc launcher, which we won't, that'll be good. Oh. Well, that's not what I thought would happen. Arm? Hell yeah. We love arms here. That sounds weird. I don't want that quoted. Don't quote me on that. That sounds like a bad quote. Just like, we love arms here. I don't know how many car batteries we actually need. I'll grab 2. Maybe even 3. At least 2. Got him. It's ironic. I'm not gonna lie. In my in my multiplayer world, I have the perk that makes enemies like easier to detect you. Like it's easier for enemies to detect you. I feel like they see me way more than they do now. And I took this game the perk where you know, enemies detect you easier instead of I said easier. I meant harder. They can't detect you.
What?
In my multiplayer game, I have that perk where it's harder for them to see you. But I still feel like they see me way easier in this one. Or not easier, harder. Like they don't see me. God, I can't talk. Something's wrong. I think I'm broken. There's no one here. That is correct, comrade. No one is here. Do not being the worried. Look at you, you're the dumbing. Yours is the very stupid.
What?
Come here, you won't. You are scared, little baby girl. Or boy, and we do not discriminate. Ooh, I don't want that. Fuck it, fine. I don't want to die that bad. There, happy? If you wanted to die so bad, could have just asked. Being nice. The fuck? Arm. There we go. That's good. I think we have a skull, so we can get a brain for if we need a brain. I'm being shot at, man. The hell? What? The fuck? I'll speak your Latin. Do you need 2 of these? I'm gonna imagine you need 2. I'll just grab a second one, because I don't remember. Never actually remember what you need. Damn, no arm. Yeah. Oop, there you go. Did that guy walk into a laser? Is that what happened? We'll grab that later. We'll grab all the collectibles at once at some point. We don't need them now. Because don't worry, I know where like most of the collectibles are. I'm just not grabbing them by choice. No, I want to... Okay. Got him. That gives a lot of XP for sneaking when you do a sneak attack. Huh. Didn't actually know that. Just, you know, also kind of wish I was building a melee. Blunt melee.
Research Director, Gate Cascade Research Facility. Though I struggle to accept the implications, the data gives me no choice.
Oh, I love this room. This room's funny. I'm sorry, man. I know you're just taking a piss.
Immense. I'll be drafting up containment procedures in the morning.
Containment procedures for a train? Oh, there's a crystal guy up here. I didn't know that. The fuck? Hey, the fuck? Hey, what the fuck? Come here. Hey, stop that. Dude, come on. No! come on. Got him. I winner. No! My Pio scrap. Is that the, like, only reason to come up here? It's for a crystal guy? What? Huh. Okay. Sure. I actually don't know how you're supposed to get in here, because you can't open this door from that side. And there's no other way to get in there. There's not like a vent or anything. So, that's just a mystery to me. I can't do that. I'm gonna get DMCA'd. Wow, I'm bad. Crystal vial. I don't know how much that actually charges. Guess we can find out. We have 2 slots for, shit. We need first, however, we do need a stove. I'm making it now. Kitchen's gonna be probably upstairs. At least that's where I want it. Kind of like here. Not gonna lie, I did karaoke on my friend's birthday. And I've got the song stuck in my head, and I can't. I literally can't. I don't want to get demonetized, or, you know, copyright claimed, or TMCA, or stream, or VOD muted. So I need to, like, hold back. Oh shit, I can't pick that up. Hello. I need... Oh, I don't need that. I actually don't think I need more than 1 diode. I bought 2.
Yeah, you good?
You know what, just in case.
The city day.
There's one of the things. We're just gonna go back to base really quick. Especially since I should actually now be able to make the makeshift headlamp, which will be huge for the program. Binoculars, who gives a shit? Those are... I've never used them, at least, so I don't know how good they are. Spuddy. Spuddy's fun. We might switch to Spuddy at some point. At least maybe. I'm thinking about it. Is that? Yes. Okay. Might be able to make that, actually. We can't sprint right now. We're over encumbered, unfortunately. Okay, and now we can start farming soon. Let me get a storage crate for food set up. Okay, yeah, we need at least 2 for the future. One that'll be a filter barrel for water, and one that'll be something else. Well, we do need a reinforced... You know what? I did bring a second magazine stand from Flat Hill. We are going to want a radioactive fridge at one point once we unlock that. We haven't unlocked it yet. There we go. And last thing should be right next to the Epic Bagger 288. God, look at that thing. It's so cool. the fact that it's gonna just like passively recharge is massive. Let's talk to Frake. Does she have dialogue? She's gone. Oh. Okay. Got him. Double got him. Fail. Triple got him. Oh. I need your arm. Come on. Don't fall. How am I supposed to get your arm if you fall? Oh, I might not need your arm. I'm gonna stop collecting arms. I have 15. I can get more. If I need more. I have 15 arms. I might not need any. Okay, fine. No more arms. Alright. There's, Frake. Or, I think.
I have to admit, you surprised me.
Did
I had
I?
to come and see this for myself.
Warning.
You gonna do the
The
honors?
safety rating of this sector is
Uh-huh.
now -4. Please
In a
exit
second.
this sector via
Need to throw away this
main
tea bag.
surface tunnel. Have a safe and successful day.
There we go. Okay, now I'll do it. Yeah. Huh, that looks
my
dangerous. That's not what you said. That, Huh.
There's your exit! Nothing a micro black hole couldn't take care of! Now you can get into labs. We'll follow soon. But I'm not leaving any of my team behind.
Okay.
You could be useful. Try not to get yourself killed.
I'll, try my best. Okay, so I think just entering lab...
You always say my
Jesus.
science is out of control. This project is different. I feel more in control than I've ever been.
Uh-huh.
Are you sure about this, Abe?
Of course I'm sure, Janet.
Do you remember the pocket dimension? I remember the pocket dimension.
This is completely different. We're fighting fire with fire. Mance never let me try this, but if I can just bootstrap the neural array, I should be able to... Aha! Oh no. Janet,
Oh my god, it's loose.
run, Janet.
Oh no. It's gonna get him. No.
Astonishing.
A pest teleporter?
Or
Hmm.
the dark lens they're calling
What could
it,
that be?
has proven exceptionally successful.
See it?
There are few places
Report
on Earth
it.
we cannot access under stable conditions. And finally, we can create those stable conditions. In theory.
What could this be trying to contain? What the hell is this? Layak essence? I'm sure it's nothing, right? Was she already here? No fucking way. Hold on. Where? Like, where? I don't know. Oh, there she is. Look, there's our friend. Hello. Isn't she wonderful?
IS-091 is the most intense AV candidate we've ever encountered. Despite its appearance, it's a transcorporeal entity of some kind, invulnerable to any of the physical deterrents we've tested so far. Walls, doors, shielding, they do nothing to impede it. Intriguingly, it only appears to a single viewer at one time. Dr. Stern has that dubious honor.
There she
He
is.
identified it in the field and it followed him back here.
Goodbye.
Began materializing in the facility.
Hey, it's those two. We just saw them. Is this locked? No.
Oh, you're back.
Are you feeling alright?
Janet got us back into labs, and we had a plan.
That's good.
Although it didn't quite work out.
Why not?
Now, we've got a new plan. But first, we need to get into the containment block and access our equipment.
But
Oh.
wouldn't you know it, they've revoked our security clearance. Because who needs it during an emergency?
No
I
one.
suppose we could head back to Office Sector, down that way, and hope Warren's got a plan to save us. But that's about as likely as Thule winning a Nobel Prize.
Got him.
We've got to find some other way into the containment block, or this is the end of the road.
Good to know. And here it is, the shortcut to office that'll take us back to base. Boop. There we go. Alright, we made some pretty good progress today. I'd say that's pretty good. So yeah, once we get back to base, we'll be ending stream. We made it to labs. We're basically kind of doing Marion's here. Hey, Marion.
For what do you seek? You freed the giants. If I can assist, I shall.
Okay. You sell reinforced hose. That's pretty good. 10 bandages per porcelain shard. Jesus.
So be it. We are done.
We made some good progress. Made it to labs. That's good. Other than that, I'd say that's a good time to end stream for the day. Alright. Next Friday, we should be at least getting somewhat through labs. I don't think we'll complete labs. Labs is probably the longest section. It's also, well, not anymore. Maybe reactors has a beat. But labs is still definitely a long section. But other than that, that'll be fun. And, alright. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Alright. You made it through the video. Good job. As you saw, we made it through the entirety of the story content of Manufacturing West. We did not end up actually doing the Core Keeper crossover content, but as I don't fully know what it does, I think that's probably okay for now. At least until I look up what doing it actually does for us. Otherwise, as you saw, we made it into labs and even had our first encounter with the Layak. I honestly do love the Layak. As you can see on the character I'm currently playing as, I have the Layak tie set. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed our video today. Leave a like if you did, a dislike if you didn't, and if you're feeling so inclined, please leave a little interaction down below. I'll see you next time. I hope you have a good day.